koutou Winton School called Rāpare. I am Ryan. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for the 2nd of March.
Okay, now let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's phrase is Rua Te Rua,
which is Te Leo for tackle. Ah! Got me good.
Rāpare. On the weather. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate from 10 to 2.
It's been great to see you all wearing your potae. They're still required today from 11. Kia ora.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Keep remembering to wear them to and from school.
Middle gardening group represented from room 6 to 11. Please meet Mrs. O'Neill from room 6 at 12:30 today with your lunchbox. Hi VIZ VESTS and hat.
A reminder from those children who get a sausage on Friday, you must remember to pay your $2 to get a stamp in the library before school. The adults on the BBQ need to know how many sausages to cook. Some children are turning up to the BBQ with their money and miss out.
Senior kapa haka today in the hall at 12:30. Please bring your lunch.
Winton fun runners and walkers. Miss McLean has taken up boot camp. She'll be boosting it round the track. We'll need to keep up.
Mrs. Nellie and Mrs. Sterling were spotted cruising with their bikes around the Winton track. Looks like all the adults are gearing up for the big Winton fun run. Get your red shirts on and give it a go.
Now, if you missed out any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's all for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kitea pōpō. See you tomorrow.
Hi, Ryan. Stay sharp, Winton School.